This tutorial review will show you how to change background color in Photoshop. Open the photo on Photoshop. You can select any selection tool. Right now I'm gonna selecting the pen tool and I'm gonna selecting here my object here. Make sure to select your subject properly. Once it's done, hit on Ctrl Enter to make selection and click on this mask icon, and here we can see the background has been removed. Now we can take a new background for this photo. To do that, click on this icon, click on solid color. Now select any color from here and click on OK. Now drag this upper layer and put it below this layer, and as we can see, the background color has been changed. If you are not happy with this color, double click on this color box and now we can change the color. Click on OK. This is how we can change background color in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.